My name is Kumar and I am from BCA PPU first year batch 1, and I am going to summarize you what is deadlock and its condition and its prevention. So let's start. First of all, what is deadlock? A deadlock is a situation where two or more processes are blocked indefinitely, each waiting for the other to release resources. First condition is mutual exclusion. What is mutual exclusion? Resources can only be used by one process at a time. And how deadlock occurs? By mutual exclusion. So deadlock occurs when processes wait for resources held by others. So how we prevent from mutual exclusion? If multiple processes can share a resource simultaneously, they won't wait for each other, preventing deadlocks. And second condition is hold and wait. What is hold and wait? A process holds the resources and waits for another simultaneously. How deadlock occurs? Deadlock occurs when multiple processes wait for each other's resources. And how we can resolve it? A process doesn't hold resources while waiting for others, and a process doesn't wait for resources while holding others. And second, assign all resources before execution starts. Release all existing resources before making new requests. So there are many drawbacks such as starvation and less device utilization. So third condition is no preemption. What is no preemption? Process can't be stopped once started. So how it occurs deadlock? Deadlock occurs when a process can't be stopped or preempted once it started. So how can we resolve it? Taking away resources from a process can prevent deadlock, means preemption. Preemption can disrupt processes like printing, causing issues. And the fourth and the last condition is circular wait. What is circular wait? Processes wait for resources in a cycle. And how deadlock occurs? Deadlock occurs when processes wait for resources in a circular manner. And how we can resolve it? Assign a numerical number to each resource so that a process can request the resources to increase order of numbering, and it prevents deadlock and making no circular wait forms. And the circular wait, this approach can be implemented practically. Thank you.